Welcome to NITCO TV. NITCO TV enables you to view live TV, recordings and on-demand movies, and shows on your set-top box or your Amazon Fire Stick. So let's get started. Inside your box, you should find the following equipment: your set-top box, of course, an HDMI cable, a power adapter, your remote, batteries for your remote, and an RCA cable. Well, this is a good time to make sure your Wi-Fi is active and you know your account name. So let's start connecting the equipment to your TV. Let's start by connecting the set-top box to your TV using the HDMI cable. Plug the power adapter into a nearby outlet too, and your set-top box will begin to power up. At this time, you'll turn the power on your TV. So let's look at your on-screen setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your remote with the set-top box. After that's done, it will go through a list of things it's connecting and then bring you to a wireless setup screen. Select your network and then enter your password. Make sure you have selected the input on your remote and you'll see the setup screen. Once that is done, you'll see a Google sign-in page. You'll need to sign in to a Google account to download other apps from the Google Play Store or to use voice commands with the remote. If you wish to log in with your Google ID, you may do so at this point. If not, select Skip and press OK to continue. If you decide to log into your Google account, you'll be given two options. One is to use the remote, and the other is to use a phone or computer. If you select phone or computer, it will prompt you to go to a website where you will enter username and password, or NITCO provided you a 4-digit PIN to use with the remote. The next screen will be the terms of service. Accept these if you wish to continue. You'll be prompted for a few services or to enable or disable. Select Accept and press OK to continue. Once you're done with the services, you'll be prompted for the STB 2020 name. Select a name from the list or enter a custom name to describe that unit. The next screen allows you to select apps to be installed by default. The NITCO TV app must be installed and cannot be unchecked. Any other apps listed that are not desired can be unchecked so that they will not be installed by default. At this point, the set-top box is configured and you'll be prompted with a welcome slideshow. Go through that and wait until the unit finishes the installation. Log into your NITCO TV account and start enjoying NITCO TV. All NITCO provided usernames will begin with NIT in all uppercase letters. You will select the up arrow key before selecting each letter to use the letter in uppercase as shown. The right pointing arrow is your enter key when you are finished entering your login and password. Go to the icon with the plus sign on it to add the NITCO TV app to the list of favorite apps. From here, you can now launch the NITCO TV app and log in using your provided information. Refer to your Quick Start Guide and remote instructions to begin watching NITCO TV. Now that we're done, thank you for being a NITCO customer.